there are plenty of power tool brands, you've often heard the name SKIL from industry pros. This manufacturer has everything you need to do your job. So in this video, we are here with 10 amazing SKIL tools that you should have. Whether you're dealing with some curved and intricate cuts, a jigsaw is your best workmate. And now get this SKIL JS820202 to get the best outcome. This jigsaw runs on a PWRCORE 20-volt battery and has a patented cooling technology that increases the total runtime. Great! The 4-stage Orbital function stands for your different cuts on different materials. And you need no extra tool to change the blades, so actions will be no longer time-taking. This jigsaw allows you to bevel its shoe for the most accurate and safe angled cuts. Well, it has everything you'd ask for. Here's another saw on the list. Now you can take on any heavy-duty cutting task with confidence. This dual bevel sliding miter saw delivers high-precision cuts with greater accuracy. It can be easily moved for faster and more accurate cuts. You can cut at the most common angles with a perfect bevel capacity. Do you know the best part? It works with the LED shadow line, bringing you more accurate cuts than the laser. The slide rail system and ergonomic handle make tough applications easy and straightforward. Maybe your old miter saw needs to be replaced. Oh, your tabletop needs to be refinished? So count on this SKIL SR660302 and get an ultra-smooth sanding experience. First thing first, it's cordless, and it has unique sanding action to speed up the removal of materials. Plus, it provides a convenient dust canister that keeps your work surface dust-free. You need different speeds? Well, you can get that with the variable speed dial. Also, the hook and loop pad. Change the pads in mere time. Do you always wish to cut thicker wood pieces like a pro? Then use this SPT9911 saw instead of using your traditional one. With its great cutting capacity, this table saw can make straight and miter cuts, even on the thickest materials. You can easily transport it anywhere. Thanks to its warm drive gearing system, you'll get unmatched durability, unwavering power, and of course, unrivaled torque. The precision rack and pinion system work much faster. That is second to none. So set it up anywhere you need and let it rip. Tired of using your old screwdriver? Need something to drive screws faster? Here is the SKIL Angle Impact Driver that has a compact size but has high efficiency on the screwing field. It tackles all those tough-to-reach places where your conventional screwdrivers can't. It features the halo light that illuminates 5 times more. You can control the speed depending on the demands of your project. Worried about challenging projects? Make them a breeze now. Ever felt like you're missing substantial power while dealing with the biggest jobs? Meet your new cutting hero. This SKIL SPT70V-11 delivers relentless power for the jobs regular circular saws can't take on. This legendary SKIL saw has a worm drive train and a great cutting depth. It has the magnesium die-cast footplate that ensures true, square cuts every time. Not enough for you? Okay, it has an electric braking mechanism that keeps your operation safe. SKIL Circular Saw. It cuts big jobs down to size. This thing you see here not only cuts wood, but it also cuts plastics and even metals. Yup, it's the SKIL RS5884, a versatile reciprocating saw that eliminates carrying several tools around the job site. It's compact, lightweight, and of course, cordless. With the patented cooling technology, it runs 25% longer. You'll get 2 built-in LED lights to light up all the dim areas. Maybe you don't want to carry an extra tool for changing the blades. No problem. Last but not least, the pivoting shoe keeps the saw stable for every job. Next tool worth mentioning is the SRT 1039 router table of skill. No wonder it's going to be your new benchtop staple for all your routing applications. First and foremost, it has an integrated storage compartment that keeps all the needed equipment nearby. The above table adjustment and dual adjustable feather boards allow you to make each operation precise and accurate. Your workshop is going to surely demand to have this router table. Getting effortless cuts is a dream for all woodworkers, isn't it? This chainsaw provides enough power to go through a tough situation with long runtime alongside. The toolless chain tensioning reduces your total job time, and the anti-kickback brake allows you to operate with peace. Let's not forget to mention the auto-lubricating chain that keeps each action good going. Thinking about the weight? No problem. This chainsaw has a good weight-to-size ratio and ergonomic handle design, so you can use it for longer applications without having any hand fatigue or any hassle. How can a tool collection be complete without a drill? So, here is the SKIL DL529303, your new workshop mate that drives through a variety of surfaces with great confidence. This half-inch brushless driver comes with a keyless metal chuck and has more than 17 drill settings for tasks requiring different demands. However, the 2-speed setting is another pro of this drill. Now you can handle all your high-torque closure applications to low-speed drillings. This SKIL drill has the size you ask for with the power you demand. So, that was the list of the 10 amazing SKIL tools that you should have. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.